5 years of Dash. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it?
5 years, Adam. Yeah, really amazing. Yeah, when did you first start using Dash?
I started using Dash actually in 2018, close to 2019, when I was working for a nonprofit, and like Excel sheets weren't enough, or the dashboards I wanted to build, and also because I wanted to share them. I wanted to share the dashboards and apps that I built with the community, and I found out about Dash that way.
Nice. Yeah, so that was about a year and a half, 2 years after we released Dash open source 0.0.1, I think. I don't even know if we were on 1.0. 2017. Yeah, June
2017.
2017. Um, and yeah, it's come a long way. I think one of the things that has really delighted me has been actually the community. And now we've brought you on as our community manager. And you started creating YouTube videos for Dash a couple of years ago that are wildly popular now. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, I it was about 6 months into learning Dash. I knew a little bit of Python, not too much, as you know. You don't need to know a lot of Python to actually be very successful and very productive with Dash apps. I learned Dash, and after like 6 months, I said, okay, let's start this YouTube channel. There's plenty of people that want to learn Dash. It's just becoming more and more popular. This tool, and you know how they say, where teaching is the best way to learn. So that got me started, and I put videos on there every week, just showing how to work with Dash components, or how to build fully fledged Dash apps, or connect to certain databases. And slowly but surely, I saw that just the desire from the community to learn Dash and to build web apps with it.
Really cool. Yeah, one thing that we've seen that has surprised me a little bit is the number of people that are learning Python to build Dash apps. We see this in the community. I think you've seen this in your YouTube channel. We've seen this among our customer base as well, folks within their organization that want to level up their skills and move beyond Excel, move beyond BI tools. And yeah, and Python is their vehicle to Dash.
Yeah, I've seen that a lot as well. They want to either they're studying something at university, like a core program, whether it's data science or physics or bioinformatics or whatever, and they want to showcase what they're learning, or they want to see with their own eyes and analyze with their own eyes the data that they're using for whatever program they're learning. And so that's why they come to Dash. And then they realize all you have to do is learn just a couple of elements or things within Python, like with a 2 month course. I studied Python in 2 months, and I already could build like pretty much anything I wanted with Dash. So I've witnessed what you just said, that a lot of people turn to Python because they discovered Dash and quickly build their Dash apps and share them. That's the great thing about Dash, that you can actually share them so easily with your friends, your colleagues, your bosses, your professors, and even if your grandmother, if you have a good relationship with her.
Yeah, totally. Um, yeah, that's been a really rewarding thing to see, especially among our customer base, just like how much great analytics work was being done in industry among our customers. Um, but that wasn't really getting the light of day because they didn't have a really easy way to publish their analytics and their data, right? I mean, what we were seeing before Dash among our customer base was dumping that data to Excel spreadsheets, sharing it out, taking screenshots, putting it in PowerPoint presentations, trying to write it back to a database and get some BI tool to read it. You know, there weren't really that many tools or good workflows available to folks that were doing analytics or data work in Python and wanted to publish that work. And just like how exciting it is to see our customers publish their work as applications, and the recognition that they get within their organizations when they do that. Because now other folks can interact with their data because Dash apps are websites, and you know, and that's the power of the web.
Yeah, that's exactly what I've heard recently from a few YouTube members, actually, and one member on the forum from the community, saying like at the beginning when I used Dash, I was using it for developing dashboard analytic dashboards, but now, especially with the new release of Pages and DCC location and many other components, I can create fully fledged websites just using Python with Dash, and I think that's something very powerful that I haven't really seen out there, especially not as advanced as Dash.
Yeah, and like the delight of publishing your first website.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, there's a lot of folks I've seen in the community that Dash apps are the first website that they've published. And just that idea of being able to hit that URL on your phone or when you're out and send
Right.
it is such a joy.
Yeah, it's exciting. It's exciting. 5 years is exciting. I'm sure year 1, 2, 3, and 4 were equally as exciting. But to see how fast this is developing and how solid this tool has become, it just makes me very proud of being part of this company, and of the future potential that we have. So I guess 5 years, like what would be your message to the world? What are you like most proud about? What do you want to tell the world?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, first off, just huge thank you to everybody in the community and all of our customers for your support, spreading the word, bringing Dash into your organizations. It's been really rewarding. I think, something that's really cool about what we do at Plotly is we're an open core company, right? So our revenue enables us to contribute back to the community into open source, the core technologies, the core Dash open source framework. But our business model also enables us to build a whole bunch of technology to enable our customers to bring Dash applications into production within their organizations, right? And that's been a huge thing I've learned over the last 5 years is just the barriers that are there within corporate IT in bringing these applications into production, and the bar is really high for sharing these applications within organizations. So, we've built out just a tremendous amount of technology in the enterprise platform, deploying, authenticating, login screens, built-in IDE so that you don't even need to download Python. You can start developing right away, caching databases to speed things up, built-in visual cross-filtering, drag and drop, like the list goes on. And, that's been really rewarding working with our customers and figuring out what barriers there are to bringing Python analytics into the business, and trying to build as much software as we can to lower the effort there, and lower the bar. So, excited. There's still a lot of work to do there, and excited to keep developing that and continuing to work with our customers and community and bring the framework further. So, Adam, you joined us as community manager last fall, which is really exciting. Tell us just a little bit about how you see the community contributing to Dash.
Well, that's a good question, Chris, because I've seen the community contribute to Dash even before I joined Plotly, which is one of the reasons I was so excited for joining Plotly. The community contributed through different components that they built with Dash, different apps that helped organizations and other initiatives out there in the world. But since I joined, I've obviously been able to witness a lot more of that. And recently, we've had people contributing to Dash in multiple ways by adding, for example, videos on YouTube, in addition to the Charming Data channel, but other videos on YouTube on how to do certain things with Dash or build certain apps, blog posts, either on their own medium or towards data science or on Anaconda, like wherever you want, talking about how to use Dash for data visualization or build fully fledged apps, or just use Dash, for example, to connect to like devices and see these devices in action, like on your dashboard. They're also coming together in like surprising ways. Like I really like Dash. I want to help others learn it, right? So they're coming together to build like open source curriculum. So Dash can be taught at universities. They want to create like a Dash app gallery. So beginner people that are learning Dash or the beginning stages of learning Dash can look at this gallery and interact with it and quickly understand Dash, like as a supplement to the powerful Dash documentation that we have. And they want to create like a training room. So it's really impressive how much the community wants to do and how much they have their like skin in the game, how much they're interested.
That's really cool. Yeah, I think when we think about open source and community, we often immediately think of contributing back to the core code base, right? And that's happened a lot. There's, I think, maybe over 100 contributors to the Dash code bases that we maintain. But for Dash, the community is so much bigger, and you can contribute back in so many ways. And we've seen the community do that over the years. So yeah, huge thank you to everybody that's contributed back to the community and is sharing their knowledge and their excitement for the framework. That's been one of the most rewarding things about shepherding Dash for the last 5 years.
Cool. So 5 years. Happy birthday, Chris. Happy birthday, Dash. And until next year.
Sounds good. Thanks, Adam.
Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.